Would you guys like to learn a really easy method to make delicious scrambled eggs? This is a recipe I learnt off Gordon Ramsay. I watched one of his masterclass videos, and basically all you need is some eggs, some butter, a rubber spatula, a non-stick pan, and some salt and pepper. Okay, first thing we want to do before we turn the heat on is chuck a bit of butter in the bottom of that non-stick pan. And then crack in a couple of eggs. Now you want to turn your heat on, but you want to keep that flame really low. Almost as low as you can set it. And now straight away, grab your rubber spatula and start just folding everything around. You'll find those eggs will just whisk as you're swirling them around. But you want that nice gentle heat. And with my rubber spatula, I'm actually wiping down the sides of the pan, and that way we're not wasting any egg. And that's one of the main benefits of this non-stick pan. If you weren't using non-stick, once you finish your scrambled eggs, you'd have most of your eggs stuck around the edges of the pan. But this way, we're getting all of the egg. See that butter's nicely melting now. If you find there's too much heat in the bottom, like mine's starting to cook a little bit too fast, just take it off. Take it off the heat for a second, keep stirring, but keep stirring off the heat. That allows you to regulate exactly how much temperature is going into those eggs. Once it slows down a bit, chuck it back on the heat. Also, I didn't add any salt and pepper. We'll add that at the end. Okay, now I'm going to turn that heat off. Go in with some pepper. In with a bit of salt as well. Just stir that around. We are pretty much done. Now, very important, make sure you give it a taste. Oh yeah, that is good. That is very good. Now just dish those eggs onto a couple of bits of toast that you prepared earlier. Have a look at that. Delicious, fluffy scrambled eggs with hardly any waste. Oh yes. All that's left to do now is enjoy these delicious scrambled eggs. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.